So to make this is actually very easy. All you need is a stiff piece of plastic. We're using this cookie jar for now. And tape and scissors, that's all you need. So to actually use this whole thing, we need to actually eat it all first. So that was amazing. So now what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna take this lid off. If you wanna make a bigger version of this, you might wanna use more plastic, but for now we're gonna make a small version. So now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna cut some trapezoidal pieces out of this. They all should be equal sizes, and we're gonna show you what that looks like. The way we're gonna do this is we print out the template, and we're just going to trace out all the lines on our piece of plastic. Now all that's left to do is just tape it. We're using packing tape. You can use just Scotch tape if you want. Now, let's see. This piece is a little big. You should probably make your piece of tape a little smaller than this. But there we have it. A completed hologram prism.